Finally, the rain has stopped, and I was able to go out with my ATV out of town and in the barrios. I was looking for an area where I haven't been before, and this took me into a bit of trouble, as it turned out. It started with dirt roads where the mud was still present, but I was able to come through very easily, no problem. It was fun to ride there. There was a bit threat of rain at that point of time, but after all it was all good, and it was real relaxing to go these paths. On paved roads there was no mud, but real bodies of water, lakes. No problem for the ATV to cross that. Good conditions here, no problem. Here, this was the first time when I started to struggle. I got stuck in the mud, but was able to free myself. After a couple of minutes, I was able to continue. A little dance back and forth, and I was free. Paved road cut off by dirt road. A very mysterious atmosphere here. And here, approaching the spillway, where my fate was sealed, so to speak, I got stuck and was not able to free myself without additional help. Yet another dance back and forth with the ATV, but I could only make a couple of meters forward in order to get stuck even more. What was the end of the game? Hello, this is what it looks like when you get stuck with your ATV. Knee-deep mud, which refuses to set you free. And getting dirty as well. It's supposed to be healthy, not bad. But people got informed that there is somebody in the spillway. This vehicle was trapped in the mud, so people rushed and started to help me pulling out the ATV.
Lalim kayo ng lalim ka ako.
Saan galing ang putik? Sa baha.
Sa ulan. Isa pa.
Wow, finally back on solid ground. The question is, will the ATV start? Wow, it started right away. No problems. These guys had to get together since it was Saturday afternoon when they were called to help me, and now they were inviting me to come to their house and join their little party and have a talk. Who I am, why I'm there, and all these things. They were curious. One of them even offered to clean my ATV, which was full of mud. And he had a hose and he directed me to the place where I should park the ATV so that he could clean that thing.
I'll forget, I'll smile. But then the feeling comes again of an April without end, of an April lonely as a car.
After an hour of talking and joking, it was time to say goodbye. A last photo as a remembrance of that remarkable day.